In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voicemail in Gmail. Even though Gmail doesn't have a built-in voicemail feature, you can still share your audio as an attachment, and it's quick once you know the flow. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser or the Gmail app on your device. Once you're in, begin a new message by selecting the Compose button. That opens the draft where you'll add your recipient, subject, and message, but first, you'll need the audio file you plan to send. Because Gmail can't record voice notes directly, record your message with a voice recording app on your phone or computer. On phones, a default voice memo app works great. On computers, a simple tool like Audacity is perfect. Choose a quiet spot, speak clearly, and keep the message concise so it's easy to listen to. Do a quick test recording and play it back to check your volume and clarity. When you're happy with it, save the file in a common format like MP3 or WAV. These formats open easily on most devices. Take note of where the file is saved so you can find it quickly. Your phone's recordings folder or your computer's downloads folder are common places. Head back to your Gmail Compose window and click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Navigate to your saved audio, select it, and let it upload. You'll see the file appear at the bottom of your draft once the upload finishes. If the file seems large, trimming silence at the start or end of your recording can help keep the attachment size reasonable, which makes delivery smoother. Add a clear subject line that lets the recipient know what they're getting, such as a simple note indicating it's a voice message. In the email body, write a short explanation so the recipient knows the purpose of the recording and any context they should keep in mind. This helps them understand why you chose audio and what to listen for. Enter the recipient's email address carefully to make sure it reaches the right inbox. Before sending, review everything, confirm the attachment is the correct file, double-check that your subject and message are clear, and make sure the tone and content of your recording are appropriate for your audience. When everything looks good, click Send. Your voice message will be delivered just like any other email, and the recipient can play the audio on their device. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and effective.